Hey guys, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Alright guys, so how is your day? Alright, so you're welcome back to today's video. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you what you're gonna be using tonight to spice it up, to make it, make it just what you want. Just make it as sweet as you want. And oh my goodness, this is amazing. It's an amazing drink that will just give you all of the satisfaction, and you're going to be loving it. Okay, so let me take you right into the video to see all of the ingredients that I'm going to be using for this, and this is natural. Okay guys, so let's go. Hey guys, so we're gonna be needing onion, okay, for this great remedy. Now if you want to hold your husband down, watch this video to the end, because you are going to be learning a whole lot and seeing how I'm going to be preparing this. You are going to be the queen of the house, yeah? So what I'm going to do here is that I am going to cut the onion. I've actually already prepared it. I'm going to cut it. So I'm going to be preparing this in two sections, and this is going to be the first one. And then the next ingredients, we're going to be needing to use lemon. Now lemon is a natural fruit that helps so much for the skin. It works wonders in rejuvenating, and it also helps in removing all unwanted belly fat and stored fat. Okay, so what we're going to do here is that we're going to be cutting this lemon into equal parts, and we're going to be using just half. Now in this remedy, you don't have to use too much of that, okay? Just a little lemon is perfect, and this is it. Now the next ingredient is ginger. Now ginger roots helps so much for the body and also for the skin. It helps for flu, cough, catarrh, and cold, and it's also helps for belly fat. So what we're gonna do here is that we're going to prepare this ginger by scraping off the peel. So I'm actually going to be doing that off the camera, and I will be right back when I'm done peeling and scraping the ginger. Oh yeah. Okay, so now we would have to cut the ginger. Now after cutting the ginger, then we're going to be transferring that into the blender. Alright, so now you're going to be putting in just a little bit of water, and I'll go blend this particular one, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so it's blended properly, and you have to sieve it, okay? So just pour that into the strainer. Alright guys, so this is actually the first one that you'll be needing. Okay, so I'm actually going to be telling you the differences in them. Now let's make the second one. So the first one, the first ingredient you're going to be needing is milk. Alright, and I'm actually going to be mixing everything here. You're going to be needing milk. Now milk is actually very good for the body. Now let me tell you why you need all of this, both men and both women. Okay, so the next ingredient we're going to be needing is yogurt, guys. Okay, and then I'm going to be scooping in the yogurt into this glass of milk. Then I will then stir it. So you have to stir it very well so that the milk and the yogurt can actually dissolve inside very well. And then we're going to be needing avocado. Okay, so I have here a half cut of avocado. I'm actually going to be cutting this into half again. Now if you have much avocado, you can actually use one whole piece of avocado. It is still very much better. So I'm going to be peeling this. So I'm actually going to be mashing the avocado. So we're going to be mashing it really well, and you can actually just blend, guys, if you have enough of that, enough of the avocado. And then you then put it inside the milk and the yogurt. Okay, so this is the first one and this is actually the second one. And now we have Coca-Cola. Okay, so the things are, if you're a woman or you're a man, if you're taking this and this, okay, to get your strength, you know, to feel honey and to feel really healthy for your man or for your woman, you have to stay away from taking Coca-Cola. Now the reason is because this is going to make you grow fat, and there will be stored fats in your stomach. And another reason is because if you're a man, it's actually going to weaken you. Okay, it's going to weaken your performance and you're not going to be loving it. So this particular one is going to help you for your performance. As a woman, it's going to increase your libido, and as a man, it's going to make you strong. And this particular one is going to be very healthy for you, because nonetheless you just have to be healthy. Okay, And when you have all of this natural God-gifted fruits into your body, you're going to feel very light, and you're going to feel very healthy, and your skin is also going to glow. So this is actually for a man and for a woman. Okay, this for a man is going to help you to produce more, you know, counts, and for a woman is going to help you to gain weight at the back side and at the front side. Yeah, and for this particular one, you just drink this before you meet your partner and you are good to go. So avoid taking soda when you're taking these drinks, okay? Because when you take soda, it's actually not going to work, because the sugar that is in here is like ×2 more than this. Okay, so that's basically it, and they taste really great and very healthy. Okay, but this tastes sweet, but of course it's not healthy. So that's it. Go spice things up, go make things, you know, really sweet, and you know, be in control, and you're gonna be loving it basically. And the good part of this is that all of the ingredients in here are natural, and it's gonna be very effective. Okay, so that's it. Alright, so if you do love my video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again. Bye.